A legal fight in Santa Cruz over a young murder suspect accused in the rape and murder of 8-year-old Maddie Middleton. KPIX5's Devin Fehely on a judge who says a teenage suspect should be tried as an adult.
Judge John Salazar ruled that Adrian Gonzalez's murder case will stay in the criminal courts, not the juvenile justice system. Judge Salazar wrote in his ruling, "What renders SB 1391 unconstitutional is that it goes too far. The voting public never agreed to allow extremely violent and dangerous individuals," the judge explains, "to be returned to the general public without first being rehabilitated."
I'm disappointed, but I'm not surprised.
Ted Fairbanks is one of the attorneys representing Gonzalez. He says his office plans to appeal the judge's decision and believes that all juveniles should have the chance to rehabilitate themselves rather than face a lifetime of punishment in adult prisons.
No one is capable of looking at one crime by one 14 or 15-year-old kid and saying that this person is irredeemably corrupt.
The new state law, SB 1391, requires 14 and 15-year-olds accused of serious crimes, even murder, to be tried in the juvenile justice system, taking that decision out of the hands of the DA or judge, which means in most cases they'd be released by the time they're 25. Maddie's mom says the new law simply goes too far.
There is no justice for Maddie right now. We won this round, which is fantastic.
The legal battle is likely to land in front of the California Supreme Court, who will have to decide if lawmakers made a mistake when they altered Prop 57, stripping judges of the ability to decide what should happen to kids who commit adult crimes.
It is, the court found, absolutely inconsistent with what the voters of the state of California did, and that the legislature cannot undo what the voters have done.
I understand the impulse to say this crime is so horrendous that this person can never be redeemed, but that's not supported by science.
Both sides seem to understand that the judge's ruling is unlikely to be the final say on this matter, but unlike in other areas where we have seen judges wring their hands and say they don't like this new law but feel bound by it, this judge says he thinks it's unconstitutional and so therefore isn't following it at all. In Santa Cruz County, Devin Fehely, KPIX5.